Hey there, welcome to the video. Today, we'll dive into updating posts in multiple languages with categories on your multilingual website using a CSV file. First off, let's take a look at the CSV file I've prepared for our import. If you're curious about how to import posts in multiple languages, check out the link in the description below. Now, I've included categories for our posts, neatly separated by commas. To update these posts, we'll need to specify their IDs. So, I'm adding a new column for Post IDs and updating them accordingly. Once we've made our updates, let's download the file as a CSV and head over to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugin page and upload the file. I'm deleting the old file and renaming the new one for clarity. Next, choose Existing Items and select a mapping template. I've opted to map the category and ID fields. Media handling is enabled by default. Click on to the next section. Here, for updating records, you'll need to configure a field to base the updates on. I've chosen the ID field and clicked Update to start the process. Once completed, you can check the status using the View Log button. All 6 records have been successfully updated. You can also verify this by visiting the posts directly, where you'll see all categories updated as intended. And there you have it. That's how easily you can update your posts in multiple languages using the WP Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.